welcome back, traders. It's another episode, or rather, the first episode. So, this section or this video is just going to talk about market structure. I know most of you watching my YouTube video might be your first time of watching a YouTube video that's talking about market structure, or you're familiar with market structure, but I just want to go through on how I break down the market structures not only from higher time frame, but just how I break down the market structure using one time frame. That's just the thing here. So if you can do this if you can be able to break down market structures in hours time frame, you can do it in 1 hour time frame, and you can also do it in 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame. The ideology here is about the time frame, not the time. It's about the structure, not about the time frame. Sorry. So first of all, before you can start identifying your structures, you have to identify your extreme low. This is what I call it, extreme low. This low must have taken out the high, the previous low, and taken out the high. I don't know if you know what I'm saying. The low that I can call it your lowest low is when a lower low, when a structure takes out a lower low and also take out a previous lower high. So this is a previous lower high. I will still talk about the bearish trends, but I didn't just talk about the bullish trend, because this is a previous lower high that broke this low. Let me use this to annotate. This is a previous lower low in market structure. I would have annotated with yes. It is a previous lower low, and this is the lower high. This is a basic price action strategy that everybody's traded. I traded this before, and this is a previous lower high. This is a lower low. So this is a lower low. Once price breaks this previous lower high, the trend has automatically changed. It automatically changed from bearish to bullish trend. So what happened? Price used this move to take out this high. If you check, you can see that this high has been taken out. Previous lower high has been taken out with this high, making this one a new higher high. Are you getting it? This is you can call it all-time low, you can call it extreme low, you can call it any type of low. But this is a previous low, and this low took out this high, changing the market structure to bullish market structure. You can draw your trend line, but this is me explaining market structure as it is, raw and pure. So I like to zoom it whenever I'm teaching. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. Higher low is meant to take out a higher high, and this is what happened. Price took out this higher high, creating a new higher high. Price this higher low broke this previous higher high and created a new higher high. And when this happens, price is expected to retrace and make a new higher low. But the higher low it is creating, what happened? Sorry, my network just went off. I don't know what's happening. But back to what we're saying. I don't know where I stopped, but I'm going to continue from wherever I remembered. When price make a higher high, it is expected that price is going to make a higher low, and that higher low is supposed to be your entry or whatever. But I'm not going to talk about entry in this video. The higher low is not meant to break a previous higher low. This low, if you're taking a trade on this low, your safety stop loss should be here, because on no account should price break this low. Price can weak it, but once price closes this low with a candle, it has automatically changed from bullish to bearish trend. You can see how price did that here. So when I was trading the break and test strategy from Rock's Academy, kudos to him. This is how he enters the trade. It doesn't actually I don't know how to explain it, but You know his strategy, so I won't come here and start talking about his strategy. But if you don't know about him, you can check him out. Rob's Academy on YouTube. Once price retraces, he enters the trade and price continues. This is the simple basic market structure. And let's see how it goes. Let me shift this to this place to see the break of market structure. This high was broken. This and keep moving up. Price retraced, pulled back into this area. Some actually draw I won't draw a Fibonacci. Some draw from this high to this low and expect price to retrace at least 50% of this actual move. Look at the actual move here. From here to here is actual move. And they're expecting price to do what? To do a pullback that is going to trigger you in. Now they're going to give you an entry for you to enter a trade. That is by the way. Then moving on, price, the higher low that was created, most people might have entered the trade here. Your TP or take profit shouldn't be above you here, because this is where you're expecting price to do what? Start thinking about reversing to get a new higher low, right? And you don't know if the higher low is going to take out your stop loss and change trend, or going to keep pushing high. We don't know about that. What we are doing is we are following the market structure and price action as it is. Price pushed up and keep getting a new higher high. Price pulled back again, get a new higher low. Look at what price did. Price didn't take out this previous low. Look at it. It didn't even come near close to it. Just took out the previous low. It just touched the previous low and keep pushing forward. So most of you might see this as a break of structure, but it is not a break. Look at the break here. This is the break of structure. Yeah. Sorry for this high I put here. This is the high. These two places are the highs. Price moved. This high low moved. Broke the structure. Highs. Boom. Here. Created a new high. So this is the actual move. From this low to this high, it's actual move. You get what I'm saying? And this is the pullback. And what did price do? Price continued pushing upward, sorry. Pushed upward and created a new high. After the high, what happened? Pullback. This is how I read price action. This is how I read price action. After the high was created, price did what? Pull back and continue what? Pushing forward. And look at what happened here. Price broke this high, pulled back, didn't take this low. We can see that it has changed from bullish to bearish because it didn't break this previous low. Still on this previous low. Still on. See, this low is still holding it, telling it to keep pushing forward. That we are still in bullish trend. But what has started happening? Price started consolidating. After consolidating for like, let me just say, sorry, I was consolidating for like 10 days. This is 10 days of consolidation. Price, because it wasn't breaking the low, it wasn't breaking the high, so it's a consolidation. When price is not moving up, but it's not moving downward, it's a consolidation. So I'm trading in lower time frame, but for the sake of this 4 hours time frame that we are using to this for its analysis, it is consolidating. Then finally, price came to this higher high and took it out. Bam. This is it. We're pushing low. And what is the extreme low that price needs to take out before we know that we are now bearish? You can use this low, you can use this low, and this low. It's up to you. But I like using the extreme low. Immediately price took that low out. Immediately price took that high out. Did what? Pulled back and did what? Continue the trend. So this is how price action works. This normal breakdown on price action, and vice versa is the sell. So let's see when price change structure. So when price broke this low, this is where price gets interesting, because I like trading this type of market structure. This pullback from this type, I like trading it. So let's see what happened. After price broke this structure, here. This is a high high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. Where is the pullback? This is the pullback. Yeah. Yeah, this is a high. This is a pullback. Okay, this is a pullback, and this is the high. Yeah. Or we can use this as the extreme high, and use this as a pullback. So far that the price didn't break the previous low, we are still on this trade. So far that price didn't break the previous low, which is here, we are still on this trade. No, I'm making a mistake here. This is the candle that broke the high. Yeah. This is the candle that broke the high. So this place is still high. We need a pullback now, but price keep pushing high. So we can call this one actual move. Yes, I'm going to one actual move because price keep pushing high. Then this can be a pullback to continue to this for these highs. This is where it gets tricky. It gets very tricky around this area. You have to scale down to 1 hour time frame to see it clearer. So if I scale that 1 hour time frame, it's going to mess up my whole studies with that information I have here. So I won't scale down. So but you can do that on your own and check. The date is 5th of May 2023. Just check it out. I don't want to make this video longer. So the whole idea is that price has taken this high. Wow. And this is the low that took out the high. This is the low. What happened here? Price took out the low, signaling we're now in a bearish trend. And look at it. So I will need you to do something. You just use your own ideology and show me the lower lows, lower highs. I mean, I'm already showing you guys, so don't need. So this is how to explain market structure and signals on entering a trade. I know people that making a lot of profit from this simple basic market structure strategy. High highs and high lows, lower highs and lower lows. That is not using any indicator. I just placing orders, high highs and high lows, lower highs and lower lows. So guys, the next video I'm going to show you what I call structure plus the smart money concept. This is how people will I say a defined edge based on market structure and smart money concept, how both of them works hand in hand. So this video I will show you that, but this one just me explaining the in-depth of market structure. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, keep trusting the process. If you know about market structure, you have known it now. Higher highs, higher low, lower highs, and lower low. You can you can use lower highs, lower low, LL and LH. So hit like button, subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, let's see you again.